Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel today. We are going to learn how to make a realistic vector ring design in less time. So first of all, we take a rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle and curve its all four sides. Then fill it with color and then copy it and paste its copy at front and then drag its copy toward the center and then take shape builder tool and cut its edges that are outside and then fill the color one by one in both rectangles and then add stroke to the rectangle and then group them both and go to brushes tool and then click on the new brushes option and then click on art brushes and then go with stretch between lines and then drag the lines towards center slightly, then click OK and then close the brushes tool and also delete the rectangles and go to select circle tool and draw a circle approximately between the ring head and then remove its fill and stroke and then go to brushes tool and click on the new brush and then rotate the circle by pressing shift at 90 degrees and then arrange the circle to back, then align them both ring head and circle and then group them and at last align them at the center of the artboard. And here we go. Our stylish vector design is ready. For more informative short and long videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks.